Recovering documents from a vintage AMI Pro installation and discovered MMG macro files. These contain custom automation from one of WordPerfect's early competitors. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view and migrate these AMI Pro macro files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky MMG errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. A user encounters an MMG file when dealing with legacy documents from Lotus Word Pro or its predecessor, AMI Pro. Their intent is to understand or execute the macro, which contains a series of commands designed to automate repetitive tasks within the word processor, such as formatting or data entry. The MMG file is a script-based file containing macro instructions written in a proprietary language specific to AMI Pro, Lotus Word Pro. It was designed as a plain text or tokenized binary to be lightweight and quickly parsed by the application's macro engine, enabling powerful user-defined automation. The most widely recognized opener for MMG is unequivocally Lotus Word Pro from IBM. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows previews the source code, but its execution must be delegated to the scripting engine. Initiate the search for the correct opener. Right-click your MMG file and select Open With. Your best bet is Lotus Word Pro. If you see it, use it. If not, cycle through the remaining options. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, opening an AMI Pro. Install AMI Pro on a vintage Windows system or virtual machine to access MMG macro files in their native environment. Lotus AMI Pro 3.x runs on Windows 3.1 through Windows XP. Open macros through Tools, then Macros to view, edit, and execute the automation scripts in the original AMI Pro environment. Next, viewing in Text Editor. Open MMG Files in Notepad++ Visual Studio Code or any text editor since the macro language uses readable text format. Inspect the macro logic to understand what operations were automated. This reading is useful for documenting historical workflows, even when execution is no longer possible on current systems. Finally, migrating to Word. Recreate AMI Pro macro functionality in Microsoft Word using VBA Visual Basic for applications, which provides modern document automation. Translate the documented MMG logic to VBA macros within Word templates. Most AMI Pro macro use cases like form letters, batch formatting, and document templates have direct VBA equivalents in modern Word. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.